Hello everyone, welcome to ashatech.com. Today we are introducing notches and weirs. To begin with, let us define what a notch is and what a weir is. A notch is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of a liquid through a small channel or a tank. It may be defined as an opening in the side of a tank or a small channel in such a way that the liquid surface in the tank or channel is below the top edge of the opening. So this is a device used for measuring discharge of the liquid through a small channel or a tank. A weir is a concrete or masonry structure placed in an open channel over which the flow occurs, and it is generally in the form of a vertical wall like a dam, with a sharp edge at the top running all the way across the open channel. The notch is of small size and the weir is always of a bigger size because it is a concrete structure. The notch is generally made of metallic plate, while a weir is always made of a concrete masonry structure, as we have already said. Now, we have a nappe or a vein. This is a sheet of water flowing through a notch or over a weir. These are important terms that we are going to note as we discuss weirs and notches. So a nappe or a vein is the sheet of water flowing through a notch or over a weir. And a crest or seal is the bottom edge of a notch or a top of a weir over which the water flows. And it is just something simple. If this is, for example, is a concrete masonry structure, which is a weir, and so if water is moving like this over it, this shape of the flow that is made, this is a weir, this is a nappe, a nappe, and this one is then what we are calling a crest or a seal. Okay, let us look at the classifications of notches and weirs. Notches are classified specifically according to the shape of the opening. If it is if the shape of the opening is rectangular, then the notch is a rectangular notch. If it is triangular, then it is a triangular notch. Trapezoidal, a trapezoidal notch. And stepped notch, if the opening is stepped down, then we know that notch is called a stepped notch. We can also classify notches and weirs according to the effect of the sides on the nappe. If the notch has an end contraction, then we classify it on its own. A notch without end contraction or suppressed notch, then it is another classification of a notch or a weir. Then weirs are classified according to the shape of the opening, the shape of the crest, and the effect of the sides on the nappe and nature of discharge. The following are important classifications. Of course, according to the shape of the opening, then it becomes a rectangular weir, it can become a trapezoidal weir, or a chipoleti weir. A chipoleti weir is the same as a trapezoidal weir. If it is a triangular, then it is a triangular weir. Then we also have, there is classification according to the shape of the crest. This is according to the shape of the opening, this is according to the shape of the crest. It can be sharp crested weir, it can be narrow crested weir, and you could find also broad crested weir and oggy shaped weir. Okay. Then another classification of weirs is according to the effect of the sides on the emerging nappe. And for that matter, if the emerging nappe has an end contraction, then it is a weir with end contraction. If it does not have an end contraction, then you classify it as a weir without end a weir without end contraction. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.